Good morning. Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna prepare a quick breakfast. It's a healthy breakfast with I'm gonna use some sausage, eggs. I have 4 eggs, so but you can you can take any, you can use 2, you can use 3, depending on the size of the family. You can use any, how much eggs you want, and the sausage as well. I use just like about 1 piece, and I cut it in small rounds like this, chunks. And I'm gonna need coriander, a little bit of coriander, but a tablespoon of coriander cut in chunks as well, in pieces. I have spring onion here. What I did is I'm cutting the piece, just the green, and I put them in chunks. I'm not using the other end, just the leaves. We'll be using some of black olives, which is like about 5 to 6 pieces cut in half. And I will use olive oil, salt, and of course black pepper to season the eggs. So I have the pan already on a low flame. I'm using like about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So it's warming up, it's already warm. So what I do, I'm gonna add the sausage to it. And let it cook for a little bit, for about 2 minutes or so. It's not going to take that long, so it's like about a minute or so, because the sausage are already, cooked. So I'm just like, you have to warm it up, kind of. Just flip them once I have my flame on 5. So just flip the sausage. You don't want them to overcook, so just by looking at them, you know when to flip them. You can lower the flame if it is on high. Okay, I already flipped them, so what I do is just get the egg, crack them, and put them in one and let it cook on low fire, low flame. I'm going to add the spring onion on top. And let it cook on simmer. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, like about a pinch, just to have it a little bit salty, you know. You don't have to put a lot. And a little bit of black pepper. I'm grinding it on top of it. I have this grinder right here, so I'll just grind a little bit on top and let it cook on its own, really on low flame. If you have, you can, even if you want, you can cover it up and let it cook. You will know when the egg is cooked. Okay, as you see, the egg started to cook the inside. If you don't like it to be cooked, the yolk, if you don't want it to be cooked, you can just like, before even like give it like about 2 to 3 minutes and you shut it. But for right now, I like the yolk to be cooked in in the eggs that I use. So I'm just adding my olive. And the coriander. And then I'm going to shut the flame, and I'm going to just let it stay on the stove, okay? And I'm going to cover it up. But the flame for right now is shut, and I'm just going to let it, the stove is still hot, so I'm going to let it stay on it for about 2 minutes, and I'm going to transfer it to my plate.